Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Mishra and I am from Pratapgarh, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my Bachelor of Arts from Rabbi Bhaiya University, which is state in Uttar Pradesh. After completing my graduation, I joined Evision TechnoServer Private Limited, where I completed 45 days training program in networking. This training gave me a strong foundation in networking, concept, troubleshooting and technical support skills. I would like to especially appreciate Evision TechnoServer for their continuous support and guidance. The company provides a very positive environment for freshers and help them understanding real IT industry scenario. They focus not only on technical knowledge but also on building confidence and practical skills. All their trainers and faculty members there are highly knowledgeable and very helpful. They teach concept in a very clear and practice way, and they are always ready to support a student whenever needed. Because of their guidance, I was able to improve my both technical and communication skills. After completing my training, I received an offer letter and start working with Progressive Infovision, and client company is Deloitte. This opportunity has helped me gain real-time experience in professional technical support. So once again, thank you, Vision TechnoServer.